Hi Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to let you know about another bonus tip that I've released to my Patreon supporters over at patreon.com/designbuildsolutions. If you're a supporter for as little as $5 a month, there's a new tip over there. It's quick, 6 minutes on how to help you draw your details a little faster. I go into manipulation of CAD details and making things look really nice and clean over there. You can see a little preview right here going on, but I just wanted to let you know that that is available. If you're not a Patreon supporter, just for $5 a month, I set up little bonus tips as I go along over there exclusively for Patreon supporters. Check it out again, patreon.com/designbuildsolutions. If you find these Tech Tip Tuesday tips useful, please check that out. Again, patreon.com/designbuildsolutions. Thanks so much for the encouragement of your likes, for subscribing, for your comments. I enjoy interacting with each of you. Take care. Have a wonderful week.